Sup guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing some try not to laugh, and the rules are simple. Let's do it.
This try not to laugh is extremely hard. You get 3 hearts, and every time you laugh you lose a heart. Good luck.
Where did the trash go? I don't know, I thought you were going to take it out.
We have 3
It was
hearts.
just here a minute ago. Well, Sonic just grew legs and walked away. Who is that?
Not funny whatsoever, guys. No, that was not a laugh, guys. That was not a laugh.
5 seconds.
Sass, you just poke a hole in it.
What did he even do to make that happen? He just spat it back out for what reason? Did he not like it or something? What on earth?
Oh my god, I choked on something!
Oh, the choke.
Okay, that's not supposed. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. For 100 mil, I'm sucking it. Shaquille. Damn, let me. Damn.
Right, I'm gonna just do this
I still haven't lost the laugh yet. No, what is he doing? What is that dance move? I've never seen that dance move in my whole entire life. I have to be honest with you guys. What was that dance move?
Signs that you are not straight.
Number 1, you like boys.
Hey guys, it's really hot outside. Do you think you could? I need some air. I need air. Yeah.
Fucking fire truck for you!
What is this quality? Guys, I'm on 1080p. I'm on 1080p. What is this quality of this camera? When was this recorded? My gosh, guys. They need to fix the quality.
When your son acts like he does.
I'm sorry, I can't laugh at that one. I will just take a level. That is funny, I can't lie. I can't lie, that is funny. But I shouldn't laugh at that one. I shouldn't be laughing at one. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I offended you, but I tried my hardest. Anyways, let's continue, guys.
Doesn't even know you at his kindergarten graduation. Aaron's
What
graduation.
happened? What did he do? Oh, he just went.
Aaron's what? Can you guys stop asking? Like, you guys keep asking me why don't reply the chat, but every time I reply the chat, it's like all kind of weird ass question like, do you shave your?
Whoa. Okay. I can't. Oh my gosh, guys. What happened? Why is there no volume? Oh. It's my 3 o'clock alarm, guys.
But every time I reply the chat, it's like all kind of weird ass question like, do you shave?
Oh my. Jeez. Why? Why are you saying that? Oh my gosh, guys.
My days, look who's calling my brother. Look who's calling my brother.
Cristiano Ronaldo, no way.
Today I'm gonna be trying
That kid's insane. He doesn't care. He just wants to meet Ronaldo.
lasagna from Garfield, the movie that is now playing.
Garfield made lasagna.
I love lasagna. I love lasagna.
This is cursed. That was cursed.
Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
What happened to your face? And I looked him dead in the eye and I said,
Allegheny Middle School and Alderdice High
School. What happened? I'm sorry, bro. Oh my gosh, guys. Dog just jumped out the window for some reason. Wait, guys, I only have 3 lives, which means I only have 1 life left. I can't be laughing anymore, guys. Oh my gosh.
Okay, meet me at the bar in 15 minutes.
Just unlucky. It's just unlucky.
Ow! Don't beat my head. Day after day.
I'm gonna have to beep a
Is it gonna be
lot.
busting? We're gonna find out. First, I gotta remove this one.
Is there a wild animal in our house? Who did this?
Why do you think the song Niggas in Paris is called Niggas in Paris? Cause niggas was in Paris.
What just happened? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to beep a lot of this out, guys. I can't lie. I'm gonna have to beep a lot of this out.
This one, they freaking eat you, huh?
Send him back in. Put him back in prison. Put him back in prison. We can't be having that. We can't just be seeing when we walk down the street going for a coffee. We can't be seeing that. Especially in front of little kids. We can't make a scene.
First time trying the Shamrock Shake. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Wait. You see my nightgown? Dude, you see it? What the fuck is that,
Oh, this.
God damn, bro. Had to do it like that. Jeez.
Small fry? Sure. Wait, what do you mean small? This is pretty average. Ed, this is pretty average, right? Actually, it's on the side. Oh no, man, that's huge.
Oh? Alright. Pretty good, pretty good. What's he doing?
Gatorade. Oh shit, he just ran into the house. Hold on, go for chill, bro.
There was no dog.
Which one? What the fuck wrong with you?
Oh, what even happened there?
Oh my god! Jet!
Oh my god.
That's a basic serious video. Oh, look at that! You found it! I found
Pick it up.
That means we can fix your car!
Oh my
My son
god.
come get my father.
There's no fixing that car, I'll tell you, no. There's no fixing that car, I'll tell you. It's plumbing on its backside.
That means we can fix your car!
Oh my gosh, that apple's got me.
This is real.
Oh my gosh. There's no way that cat did that. What? There's no way that cat said that. Oh my gosh.
Dead ass? This is a sport for them?
Yes.
How the fuck do they know how to do that?
I've never seen that sport in my whole
Watch. This is the most real part.
What do you mean this is the most real part? Meaning the rest?
Vogue picture. Some of my boards.
Oh my gosh. His fart was the hand dryer for him.
Oh, sorry about that.
What's your problem?
I don't know how that happened. Oh, sorry about that.
Bitch, I'm about to blow up! That's a J. Cole song. It's a J. Cole song.
I don't know about that one, buddy. I don't.
What you gonna do? We run up on you.
Matt Flurry? Matt Flurry Oreo? Matt Flurry Oreo, come on.
Bro can't even speak properly. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What on earth is happening? What's wrong?
What the?
No drink instead.
Why did it say gay station instead? Chunks? I've seen Chunks before. Why did it say gay station instead of PlayStation? Explain to me. What is going on here? What is going on here? Explain to me.
What the?
No drink instead. That was nice. That was nice. I can remember a bit.
How much is your fabric?
Barbecue?
$3. I literally said it every
I can't see.
Is ook optie. Is ook optie. Is ook optie.
ورتنادي لبابا جي
بابا جي.
بابا جاي لاكس بوكس سيريس اكس
بابا جي.
بابا جاي لبلا ستيشن 5
بلا ستيشن 5.
بلا ستيشن 5 الى لوجيتك لوجيتك الى هاي.
Oh my god, how do you pronounce the words? How do you pronounce the words, guys? That is unbelievable. Can't lie. Just how to pronounce the words. Well, I've lost the challenge, but let's just continue anyway. The video is almost over.
هايبر اكس 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 اكس
هايبر اكس 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 اكس.
هايبر اكس 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 يلا جيران رفدور ديني
If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out of here.